machine.
The one we're driving, that'll be it.
It is a Drop Star Titan, right? Wait, that might be the 6-blade one. Wait.
No, it's a Titan. It's the 84-inch. That's the big one.
Yeah, I know we're definitely not gonna turn that one on because it's gonna hit. It should work.
Yeah, something is not working. I've got here the light, and it's working here, but it's not turning off. Maybe. Huh?
Mr. the battery dead.
No, because the
Oh, it lights
it
up.
shows up there.
Nothing else turning on or off. So.
Huh?
I'm not hearing any beeping. I hear some beeping. Huh. Interesting. Okay.
Something else
So
to do.
another thing for me to look at.
Try to push the battery in.
Well, the battery is fine. And where the switches are, it's not like they inadvertently gotten, changed. There's like 4 little switches, which are your frequency code. You got 4 switches, you have 16 possible frequencies. Because it's binary, this way or that way, times 4.
This is one remote. Can we turn this one on? The white one?
No.
No.
Again, that would be hitting.
Oh yeah, it's gonna hit that
It's
one.
going to hit. So.
At least one, if not two.
That one I just hooked the light up hot.
This one's a monster.
Yeah, it's what, 80 or 90 inches.
Oh.
We should come here like once a month.
See what's different. Yeah, occasionally, we'll sell the last off the ceiling, and then we'll be able to put up something new.
What are the slippers for?
Sandals.
That was a child who came in and could not keep his shoes on, and I told the mother, the kid was, like 2 years old, not even that. I told the mother, look,
Excuse me.
there may be some screws or something that's, can happen.
Yeah.
So it would be better for the child to, I don't want to get sued,
Excuse me.
And so, yeah, she put the shoes back on the child, and they didn't buy anything, and they left, and the next thing I knew, I saw these shoes on.
I was trying to figure out how that related to fans, and I was... Okay.
So I didn't get their number or anything, they left.
Right.
And then I found the shoes. I figured maybe they'd come back to find them, but I never saw them again.
Probably not, because I guess
It's
the
probably
shoes
not
probably
gonna
would
happen.
come off all the time, and so it's like they probably have no idea.
There's some Casablanca parts.
They must have wanted to go back there or something.
There's a Delta 2.
Week or two.
Yeah, I figure I'll never see them again.
I was